सुप्रभात बच्चों, नमस्ते। You're watching EduStar International School's Hindi session for class 5. I'm Tabitha, your Hindi teacher. How are you all doing, children? Hope you all are doing good at home. Are you all troubling your parents? Yes, you are troubling, right? You should not trouble, okay? Because your parents are having some difficult times now. They are utilizing their time and spending their time with you also, right? So you should not trouble them. Be a good children, okay, my dear? Yes. So shall we move on to today's session? Yeah. From today's session, we have spoken sum and syllable sum. Okay? For spoken, we'll start up with some words. For today's session, you have 25 words. As I say, you all should repeat with me. Okay? Today. For today, it is Aaj. What is today? Aaj. Yesterday and tomorrow, it is Kal. Yesterday is past. Tomorrow is future. For both, it is Kal. You all should know where the exact thing comes. Okay? See, I went yesterday. मैं कल गया था. Gaya tha is for past. So you all should know it states yesterday. That kal stands for yesterday. I will go tomorrow. मैं कल जाऊंगा. Jaunga. That makes a sense that you're saying something about future tense. So you all should, it means it is for tomorrow. That kal stands for tomorrow. Okay? Now clock. Clock is what? Gadi. What is clock? Gadi. No or not. It is nahi. What is it? Nahi. See. For see, what is it? Dekh. What is for see? Dekh. Small. Small is chota. Big is bada. What is small? Chota. Big is bada. Beautiful. What is beautiful? It is sundar. What is for beautiful? Sundar. Good. Acha. What is good? Acha. Bad is bura. What is bad? Yeah, bura. Thank you. You all know for thank you, right? What is thank you? Yes, it is Dhanyavad. What is it? Dhanyavad. Something. Something is kuch. What is something? Kuch. What? What is in Hindi? Kya. For what it is? Kya. Tea. Tea it is chai. What is it? Chai. Said. Said is kaha. What is said? Kaha. Water. For water it is pani. Water it is pani. Head. Head is sar. What is for head? Sar. Hand is hath. What is hand? Hath. Finger. Finger is ungali. What is finger? Ungali. Stomach. Stomach is pet. What is stomach, children? It is pet. Many or very. For both it is bahut. What is it? Bahut. Day. Day it is din. What is for day? Din. Sometimes. Sometimes is kabhi. What is sometimes? Kabhi. People. For people it is log. What is people? Log. Enough. Enough is bus. What is enough, children? Bus. This is the 25 words. You all should keep on saying and repeating it. You just see the video once or twice. You all will come to know. Okay? Next we are going for the Bal Geet. That is the Hindi rhyme. In this time in your syllable book, you have many rhyme. Okay. So one by one we'll go on. Okay. For today, we'll know about Ginati. Ginati is what? Numbers. You'll have bought your books, right? Take page number 12. You have one Balgit saying that it is Ginati, a small 6-line Balgit. Very nice. It's very easy also. I'll say it first, then I'll make you all to repeat, okay? Yeah. 1 2 3 4 8 शनि है कल इतवार 5 6 7 8 याद करूँगा सारा पाठ इसके आगे 9 और 10 हो गई गिनती पूरी बस. I'll repeat again. 1 2 3 4 आज शनि है कल इतवार 5 6 7 8 याद करूँगा सारा पाठ इसके आगे 9 और 10 हो गई गिनती पूरी बस. What is it? See, it says 1 2 3 4 8 शनि कल इतवार. Today Shani means what? Aaj Shani means today is Saturday. If today is Saturday, what is tomorrow? Kal means tomorrow. What is tomorrow? Yes, Sunday. Saturday, if you have got some homework, will you all keep it for Sunday? No, right? You all will finish everything today because you all want to enjoy your Sunday. You all want to do nice mastis on Sunday, right? So the same the kids are saying here. 1 2 3 4. What the kids are saying? 1 2 3 4. 8 शनि है कल इतवार. Today is Saturday. Tomorrow is Sunday. 5 6 7 8. What is it? 5 6 7 8. याद करूँगा सारा पाठ. याद करूँगा is I will remind and study or whatever is my given work. I will do everything and finish it for today itself. So tomorrow I can enjoy. याद करूँगा सारा पाठ. इसके आगे 9 और 10. After 8 what comes? 9 और 10. हो गई गिनती पूरी बस. The counting is over. Now will you all say it with me? Yeah, shall we? Yeah, come on, we'll move. You all should say along. However I say, you all should say, okay? 1 2 3 4 8 शनि है कल इतवार. Say it along. 1 2 3 4 8 शनि है कल इतवार. 5 6 7 8 याद करूँगा सारा पाठ. What is it? 5 6 7 8 याद करूँगा सारा पाठ. उसके आगे 9 और 10 हो गई गिनती पूरी बस. Say it. उसके आगे 9 और 10 हो गई गिनती पूरी बस. Nice, right? You all should remind this song and read it properly because once you all are coming to school, whatever Bal Geet I have done, I'll tell you all to make you all to say that. Okay? Okay, my dear. This time Hindi, it's very easy. You all should only speak. Only practical. Theory and all, we'll leave it. Only you all should keep on speaking. I want you all to say it the day you come. Okay? See, now I'm giving Ginti. Next I'll give the next Balgi. That is the Chanda Mama. Okay? Okay, my dear. Enjoy your leave, study and be safe at home. Okay? Meet you in the next session, children. Bye-bye.